is Njideka Okeke. Keep watching Pan African TV.
I just saw you right there in the wedding ground, and you were jubilating and celebrating. Can you just tell us your function?
No big deal, no much to say. It's just, just at the wedding. It's the wedding of one of us, our colleague, okay? We're just here to celebrate with him. And just have the wedding and we'll have fun. Yeah, it's great. You need to be here. If you don't miss it, not be small.
Okay, so what's your best wishes on them?
I wish them good health, long life, prosperity, and every better to go follow marriage, man. Kudos to you.
What's your expectation here today?
No big deal, just greatness, great. Everything good.
So finally, what's your prayer for them?
Blessing and long life.
Okay, we are still here. It's all about conjugal bliss right here in Nobi, Anambra State. Okay, I have one of its kind, a very big star right here on the red carpet. Good to meet you, sir.
All right, thank you very much, my brother. Okay, my name is Ifeanyi Azodo. I'm a consummate actor, prolific writer, producer, director, Nollywood, Nigeria.
Wow. All right, before I go into Nollywood, I just want to ask you your relationship between you and, the celebrants today.
Okay, Udechukwu is my very good friend. I'm a very good friend of the family, so that's why I'm here. But they have a very wonderful young guy as a brother. That is Abuego, they call him Chidi. That's basically the reason that I'm here. I'm here because of Chidi.
Yesterday in the Suya night, I saw you were functioning really great. Man, what's the secret?
What are we friends for? Abuego is like a brother to me, so I'm ready to bleed my blood for him. That's why I did everything like that,
Okay, so thank you very much for coming to Pan Africa Television.